सीबीआई को मिली है सुशांत के केस की जिम्मेदारी। अब हाईएस्ट लेवल्स पे होगा सुशांत के देहांत का इन्वेस्टिगेशन। सीबीआई ने मांगी है बीएमसी के कमिश्नर से परमिशन मुंबई आने की और क्वारंटीन से एग्जेम्पशन की। The court has also upheld the FIR registered in Patna based on a complaint by Sushant's father, Mr. K.K. Singh, and said that the Bihar government is competent to refer the FIR filed in Bihar to the CBI. According to latest reports, the CBI has now made contact with the BMC commissioner seeking the required permissions to visit Mumbai, and given the current pandemic related restrictions, उन्होंने ये request की है कि उन्हें compulsory quarantine से exemption मिले।
In what is being said as the major victory for Sushant's fans and family members, CBI has been asked to begin its investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput case. And to avoid any unnecessary turf war or just follow protocol, CBI has contacted officials in Mumbai to get a formal approval to come to Mumbai and collect all the evidence from Mumbai police as directed by the Supreme Court of India, and to also be exempted from the 14-day compulsory quarantine.
Perhaps this move comes after SP Vinay Tiwari was forced to spend 2 weeks in quarantine after he arrived in Mumbai to take charge of the team from the Bihar police who had come to investigate the case.
मैं यहाँ आ गया था शाम में, और आने के पश्चात टीम के साथ इन्वेस्टिगेशन आगे बढ़ रहा था, लेकिन बीएमसी ऑफिसर्स ने मुझे कॉल किया और मुझे बुलाया कि ऐसे प्रोसीजर है। तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, जो भी प्रोसीजर है वो फॉलो करेंगे। आई एम फॉलोइंग द ड्यू प्रोसीजर।
डोंट यू थिंक इट्स अ वेरी क्रूशियल टाइम पीरियड 48 hours before the apex court hearing? Could you show us the quarantine stamp?
My duty is to follow all the orders, all the government orders. So I am following the order.
In fact, after the controversy surrounding Mr. Tiwari, the BMC had issued an order जिसमें साफ लिखा है कि मुंबई में लैंड होने वाले डोमेस्टिक पैसेंजर्स को 14 डे का होम क्वारंटीन मैंडेटरी है। एंड इफ एनी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स नीड एग्जेम्पशन, उन्हें बीएमसी को अपनी ट्रैवल डेट से 2 दिन पहले रिटन परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी with full details of their work and elaborate the importance of the work, and also justify the request for home quarantine exemption. Perhaps to avoid further controversies and allow a smooth investigation, the CBI is following the rule book to the letter so that they can collect all the evidence from the Mumbai police and carry out any investigation they need to in Mumbai. While the CBI has begun its work on Sushant's case, the late actor's family is overjoyed and overwhelmed by the amount of support and love they have received over the past 2 months. They have shared a statement thanking everyone who supported them and Sushant, and this statement was shared by the late actor's niece on social media as well. The statement reads, "We, Sushant's family, thank our friends, well-wishers, media and millions of fans worldwide for their love for Sushant and support for us. We are particularly thankful to Shri Nitish Kumar, Honorable Chief Minister Bihar, for setting the wheel of justice in motion. Now that the country's premier investigating agency has taken over, we believe that all those involved in the crime will be brought to justice. We believe that public trust in institutions is important. Today's development has reaffirmed our faith in India as a robust democracy. We love our country more than ever." हम भी यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि देर से ही सही अब सुशांत के केस में कार्रवाई पूरी की जाएगी और उनके परिवार को जस्टिस जरूर मिलेगा।
परिवार